Hello, friends! Today we're going to listen to some short clips from our favorite Winnie the Pooh characters. Listen carefully and see if you can hear any weather words. Is it sunny or rainy, or maybe it's a little windy? Let's watch together and learn. Here's our first clip. Let's see what weather words Tigger says.
Clouds of lightning and thundering.
Let's listen again with the subtitles this time.
Clouds of lightning and thundering.
Wow, Tigger says loads of lightning and thunderous thundering. That means there was a lot of lightning and very loud thunder. Let's say those words together, thunder and lightning. In this next clip, we will listen to Piglet and Rabbit. Let's see if we can spot the weather words.
My, isn't this a lovely day for a picnic?
Well, when my ears wig-wag like this, it means it's going to rain cats and dogs.
Let's listen again with subtitles.
My, isn't this a lovely day for a picnic?
Well, when my ears wig-wag like this, it means it's going to rain cats and dogs.
Okay, so let's go over what we heard. Piglet says, "Isn't this a lovely day for a picnic?" A lovely day means the weather is nice and sunny, perfect for a picnic. Then Rabbit says, "It will rain cats and dogs." This is a silly idiom. It means it will rain a lot. It doesn't really mean that animals are going to fall from the sky. It just means heavy rain. So let's repeat, sunny and rainy. In this next clip, we will listen to Rabbit. Let's see what weather words we can spot.
I'm not kidding, Tigger. There's going to be a monstrous storm.
Anything?
Let's listen again with subtitles.
I'm not kidding, Tigger. There's going to be a monstrous storm.
Anything?
Rabbit says it's going to be a monstrous storm. That means a lot of wind and rain. Monstrous means very big or scary. So Rabbit thinks a huge storm is coming. So let's repeat. Storm. Monstrous storm. In this next clip, we hear Tigger talking again. Let's see if we can spot the weather words he uses.
And when differeth winds breaking everywhere.
Let's listen again and read along with the subtitles.
And when differeth winds breaking everywhere.
Tigger says, windiferous winds breaking everywhere. Tigger made up a funny word, windiferous. It means full of wind or very, very windy. So Tigger is saying the wind is blowing everywhere. And let's repeat together, windy. Let's review the words we've learned. Thunder, big loud noise in the sky. Lightning, the bright flash. Raining cats and dogs. That means it's raining very hard. Storm, lots of wind and rain. Monstrous storm. That means a huge storm. Tigger's funny word, windiferous. Very windy. Nice day when the weather is sunny and good for a picnic. Great job, everyone. You learned so many fun weather words today. Keep listening and practicing English every day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.